Guys, this is proper garden maintenance. Check it out. I'm killing males and making the garden a sense-familiar place.
Die, males!
Die, male! Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? This is Dean coming at you from Marijuana South Africa. Today we're going to be identifying and destroying a male plant. Why would you want a male plant in your garden? Maybe if you want to start breeding yourself and crossing some different strains, then the male could be kept, or you could harvest the pollen and keep the pollen in the freezer until you had a female that you wanted to pollinate. In this garden, they're going for flower, so you want to grow sensimilia flower or seedless flower, so a male is not what you want. Now let's bring it in and have a closer look at what a male is all about and how you can identify a male. Cool guys, so we're having a look now at the male cannabis plant. You can see sort of at the top over here, there are some small kind of weird calyx kind of things, or balls. No balls. If you go a little bit lower, you can see this like banana thing that's like opened up, and these are clear signs that we've got a male cannabis plant. There's no white hairs. They're forming in stacks together instead of being sort of alone, like these beautiful pistils that are going to give us our resin. These are our pollen sacs over here. You can remove them and see tiny little sac, keen to open up and just drop that pollen all over your crop. So what are we gonna do next? We're gonna fucking kill this plant, chuck it on the compost heap, and turn it into some compost that we can feed to these ladies at a later stage. Let's check it out. Gotta do it the Marijuana SA style. We're gonna machete this bad boy. There's no flowers here yet, so the pollen can fly. Let's take it down. Timber!